Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to continue on with the ray and wave energy approach. This song, two guitars, two vocals, I call it a bass box. I think it's a guy playing a box in the back, you know. What's our room size? 11, 8, 13, standard room size. We verified that over 20 years of data. It's a two-channel system, one sub at 8 inches. Room treatment costs about 15K. We use the ACDA. You can see the performance here. Cube's the same performance, a little bit better, and then our foam technology here. And then the RTA is the app that we use in it. So you can kind of see the performance that causes this. So these curves that you're seeing, about 15K in treatment costs. I don't think I covered that last time. We're really focusing on the below 125 and above 125, and there's no ceiling treatment. We'll get to that, you know, but first let's work on the four walls. We try to treat about 80% of the problem on the four walls. And for most people, that's good enough. You know, for those that want a higher resolution, we got to go to the ceiling because that's about 33% of our modal problems and about 17% of our reflection issues. So it's substantial, it contributes, but not as great as the four walls. So that's what we want to focus on. And then our next video, we'll do another energy source with some more instruments. Then I'm going to do a whole series of 3 different songs at 95, so you can see, you know, how linear the room is and the movement of the energy. And that'll show you the power of the technology in real time. That's the most important thing. Hope this helps. Thank you.